Today, we will review the main buttons and features of Samsung Microwave, starting with the Select Clock button. This button allows you to set the time on the display. To set the clock, press the Select Clock button, choose either the 12-hour or 24-hour format, then use the up and down arrows to set the hours in minutes, and confirm by pressing the Select Clock button. To avoid damaging the microwave, I place a cup of water inside. The microwave should not be run empty. Next, I press the Start button. This allows you to quickly start cooking, adding 30 seconds with each press. If you press the Stop button, the microwave stops cooking but keeps the set time. You can use the up and down arrows to add or subtract cooking time with accuracy up to 10 seconds. If you press the Stop button again, the microwave enters energy-saving mode and the display turns off to save power. The Quick Defrost feature allows you to quickly defrost meat, poultry, fish, or bread. Above the microwave door, there is a list of 5 defrost programs. To activate it, I press the Quick Defrost button and use the up and down arrows to choose a program number from 1 to 5. I confirm my choice by pressing Select Clock. Then I select the portion size from 200 grams to 1.5 kilograms using the up and down arrows, and I press Start to begin defrosting. Thanks to the Auto Cook feature, you can cook dishes without any adjustment. Just like for defrosting, there is a list of programs on the microwave door. There are 20 programs, each with a recommended portion weight. I press the Auto Cook button and use the up and down arrows to select the desired program. Then I press Start and the microwave starts cooking. The Soften Melt feature allows you to soften butter or melt chocolate and sugar, and it has 4 programs. I press the Soften Melt button and use the arrows to choose the desired program. I confirm my selection by pressing Select Clock. Then, using the arrows, I select the portion size and press Start to begin the softening or melting process. Let's look at how to easily set a long cooking time. I press the microwave button and select the power level from 100 to 800 watt. Then I press Start. If I need more than 30 seconds, I press Start multiple times. But if you're finding to set 10 or 20 minutes, repeatedly pressing Start is inconvenient. So I do it this way. After selecting the power level, I wait for 3 seconds, and when the display shows 0, I press and hold the up arrow. The minutes on the display begin to increase quickly. After setting the desired time, I press Start. Thanks to this button, you can save your favorite cooking settings. First, I press the microwave button and select the desired power level. I wait 3 seconds for the display to show 0, then use the arrows to set the desired cooking time. Next, I press the favorite button, select the program number 1 or 2, and confirm by pressing Select. Now, the favorite program is saved and ready for use. After cooking food with an unpleasant smell, I first clean the inside of the microwave and then press the Deodorization button. The process lasts 5 minutes. To increase the time, you can add 30 seconds by pressing Start or 10 seconds using the arrows. To activate the child lock, I press and hold the child lock button until the letter L appears on the display. After that, no buttons work. To unlock, I press and hold the child lock button again. This is a useful feature to prevent accidental presses, especially when there are small children around. That's it. Wishing you successful use of your microwave and enjoyable moments in the kitchen.